So for us, we're seeing employee satisfaction increases because they have the ability to actually see their time card live and in person on a daily and see what they're being paid for. Our clients are happier because we've deployed and they can provide us live in the moment feedback with the QR codes that we've posted for those feedbacks. Just exponentially, CSAT's better, ESAT's better. I'm happier, which makes everybody happier. So, and all of that data has been provided by JM.
Staff want you to know that they're doing things, right? And they sometimes may feel like it's hard to impress you because you're not there seeing what they're doing. But with this now, everyone that does anything, it's clear that you are doing, right? And this clarity brings more actually good feelings to the staff. They appreciate it a lot more because they know that oh no, I've been hitting all of my targets, sir. I've done all of what I need to do. Because Janitorial Manager, again, it scores the area and it ties it to the staff responsible for the area.
It's streamlined our experience, especially with employee turnover. So all the information is at their fingertips and information's not lost anymore from one cleaner to the next when there is turnover.
I think a lot of it is the communication with not only the customer, but also the janitorial staff member. You know, that they're getting feedback where most companies really don't care. If they're not complaining, it doesn't matter. So for us, we can use the analytics of, we don't only use it for QR scans as far as like for the public, we also have them do, when they're walking into their restrooms, the employee scan to making sure they're doing things in order. So it does reinforce that training that we do on their initial day one, and it keeps the training in that conversation, like it's always there. And if we get a complaint, we can look it up like, well, you didn't check it off. Oh, I went in there, I just didn't do it. Like, okay, we need to shape that up. So it's non-confrontational, but at the same time, it has that little level of accountability that I think a lot of daytime workers need.